We are happy to announce a creative activity to celebrate Pongal and the New Year. Write a short poem about Pongal traditions, happiness, and gratitude. Welcome to a fresh new year. Show your creativity by writing a poem about New Year hopes and dreams, drawing a colorful New Year artwork. Let's begin the year with creativity and positivity. Upload your poem, drawing file using the link given below. Make sure your file is clear and properly named. We are excited to see your wonderful work. This channel is your space to learn, explore, create, and enjoy. Let's discover new ideas, build knowledge, and have fun learning together. Subscribe and stay connected.